Hi there, I'm Thomas.
I'm Sydney.
Together we are from TastyCue. Together we're making ourselves a nice little lavender lemonade. Alright, so we just got finished making ourselves some lavender simple syrup, as you see, and we just really want to try it out without chugging from a bottle of syrup, because we might enjoy that. But
And if you want to learn how to make your own lavender simple syrup, I will link the video in the description below or put it in the title card right here. And if you do not want to make your own, you can buy it pretty much anywhere.
I will say this took us a minute or two. It's as simple as the name suggests.
What do we all need for this recipe, baby?
So you need a few lemons. You need your lavender simple syrup. That's truly about it.
And water. And because we already have sugar in the simple syrup, you don't really need to add more sugar. And then you just need a fun glass. So this is a date night dinner that is alcohol free. So you can have this anytime. Maybe this is for a nice little picnic, you know?
Right, so
Get us started, baby.
I don't know why somebody showed me that you kind of massage the lemons first when you're going to be juicing them, so I tend to just do a couple of quick little rolls of them. Grab your glass and
A smooch.
smooch, and grab a chef knife on the other side of the smooch, sharp across. Now I'm just going. There we go. I'm going to half these, but I am going to grab a little slice, and I'm just leaving that to the side for a little bit of garnish later.
We're gonna be sharing this date night drink. We're getting really cozy with this one. So notice that we're not even using a juicer. It's really difficult for me to juice lemons like this because I have arthritis in my hands, because I'm an old woman.
But that massaging that I did earlier does help with this. It just sort of loosens up all the membranes.
But we wanted to show here that you actually do not need a juicer. Sorry, Dave.
We still have one. I get that it's not a functioning household without a lime squeezer, and we will live and die by that. But there is
One
a little
lemon
juice of one lemon. We are going to start off with, I'm just going to go a capful of our simple syrup. We can always adjust later. Yeah, a few ice cubes.
Hold for ice noises. Uno, dos, tres.
Quattro.
Sure.
Quattro! Okay. A little stir. Top that off with your water. And now we are going to find out if that was enough simple syrup. Or if this is going to be sour as all heck.
Because it's going to be to
Maybe.
taste. Okay. I could use a dash more because I'm not really getting the...
Okay. I'm going to add one standard sploosh to that. There it is, I think. And as before, I need all the help I can get to
Yum.
try and stay hydrated. I know we are so lucky and blessed to live where water is plentiful and readily accessible.
So there we have it. A very delicious and refreshing lavender lemonade that is so easy for you to make. Genuinely so easy. But I feel like it's pretty impressive to say, hey guys, I brought a lavender lemonade from scratch. This would cost about $7 at Trader Joe's and probably about $16 at Air One.
There you
So
go.
might as well just make it at home.
Well, worth noting, our lemons weren't organic, but
Yeah. So if you liked this video and you tried out this recipe, comment down below what you thought and any differences that you might have made with making this recipe.
yeah, it's very easily mutable or modular. And again, if you enjoyed what you saw here, please hit that like or subscribe, ring that little bell.
Every single time that you interact with our video, it helps us more than you know for us small creators here on YouTube.
All right.
Bye.
Cheers.